most underrated way to get a job in a new career. Can you guess what it is? It's volunteering. They say volunteering is a gift that keeps on giving, and I couldn't agree more. It feels good to volunteer, you get a sense of purpose, and you expand your network. You see, network is back again, so it's really ultra powerful. And I'm going to talk about my own story. When we moved to Chile, I didn't know anyone. I didn't find jobs in the beginning at all. So because I had time, what I decided to do was volunteer in a home of little girls. So this also helped me with my Spanish, which at that point was pretty much non-existent. And I was going there 3 to 4 times a week, and that really helped to make me fluent with the language. So much so that when PricewaterhouseCoopers called me and I interviewed with them, I think the Spanish definitely helped me to nail that interview, without which I probably would not have got into the company. And I credit my level of Spanish to all the time that I spent volunteering. Before you brush volunteering aside and you think, yeah, it's all goody-goody and it's not practical for me, let me throw a couple of facts to you. Did you know that over 80% of all people on LinkedIn have listed volunteer experience in their profile? And secondly, a few years ago, there was a survey of LinkedIn hiring managers, and they said that they count volunteer experience at the same level. They value it at the same level as paid experience. So the skills that you're lacking, take advantage by volunteering, learning. It's free training. And for example, if you want to learn more about web design and you want to practice, volunteer at your a local neighborhood association, or at a school, or at a refugee center, or take advantage of Quora and Reddit. And if you have answers that you can share and expertise that you can share, go ahead and do that. You lose nothing by doing that. You only gain a fantastic network and something called a helper's high. I'm going to link an article on helper's high, which I think is brilliant.